Check it out, I woke up to the sound of 8 parrots over here on the wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see it right there behind the tree. A few of them were together, and then I don't know, they're having like a lover's quarrel, and then these other 2 over here can't stop making out. They're having a good old time. It's funny, huh? Well, 8 usually means, you know, happiness. Look at that one stretching out. Rise and shine. 8 usually means, like, obviously it's a good number, and then parrots represent happiness, so that's good.